Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and my name is Tonic, your boy. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to create international TikTok account. It's very simple. We know in Africa here, every platform that is making money outside there is always against Africa. What I mean is, it's like they do their own things excluding Africa. So many people created a platform and they don't want Africa to benefit. At some point, they just give a little restriction. You work hard, and then they give you something very small. After very work, after working hard, and creating content is not easy, and we know all African are talented. So stick with me. And before we do something about the topic of today, please subscribe here to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment here. And when you do that, God bless you and thank you very much. We can go. So okay, you can first what you can do here is to download, is to come here on Play Store so that we can download. Where my network is very slow, but the good thing, I have already downloaded the VPN, this VPN browser. You can see already downloaded. So what you can do after this, when you have not downloaded before, so you come here on Play Store, download the VPN browser. So VPN is what we call virtual private network. Is it? If I'm not wrong, something of the sort. So let me open. And what you can do here when you open it is to turn on. You can see, you can choose where you can locate yourself. As for me here, I have located myself in the United States, Atlanta, but I can change. Let me change. You click it there. Let me say I want to be in, let's say, in Germany. Then you choose right now. Here from Germany, we have so many cities. We have like Frankfurt, we have so many. So let me choose Berlin. It's when you are here, you just, it is connecting. Let's wait to connect. Let's see. Now it's already connected. So what you need to do, you go back. When you go to Chrome, Google Chrome, and on Google Chrome we need to search on what we call tiktok.com. So what VPN can do, VPN hide your location, like the original location, and put the location as per what you have chosen on the VPN. Okay, so here you need to log in. Let's see if I have already logged in. I'm not logged in, so I need to log in. So what you can do here, we can create the new account for the safety. Okay, it's also okay if you're using the older one. Yeah, but for now, let me create another one. Let me choose. And for you, if you have already, but let me give you one advice. Do not use your phone number, because that phone number will be identified by the network, okay, and will really trace your real location. So do not just use your email. What I mean, email is like Gmail or Yahoo, something like that. Use those emails. Let me choose to use Google. Let me sign in with that. It's very easy, guys. So birthday, let me choose the birthday to be, let's say 2000, and that one is okay. That one is okay. Now create a username. Tonic 211. I think it should not have a space. Yeah, that name is there. It's okay. It's okay. Already logged in. Okay. Now this is my new created TikTok account, and it is an international TikTok account. You can see there's nothing here because we have just created it right now. Yeah. After that, you come to your TikTok. This is the user one, the one I'm using right now. So let me switch account. Let me switch account. Logged out. Actually, let me use to switch account. If I have it already, it's not there. So let me log this one out. After logging, we need to add an existing account. Okay, that was our Gmail. We were using the Gmail this account. So when I log in here, so you just logged in with the at least we are together. I know I'm not. Okay. See here, yes, already there. So you can see I am logged in already, and here you can now change everything. Like if you want to change the username, if you want to add the bio, if you want to add the link to your outside social media, you can do it here. You can also add your profile here. Yes, that is what you can do. Congratulations, we have created our new international TikTok account. So I think it was very easy and simple and not hard to understand, or yeah, something like that. So now there is one thing left. After doing that, creating account and logged in successfully. So one thing I want to advise you on is you do not attempt or do this. Do not upload or re-upload those account. I mean those videos, those content that were in your previous account. So if you do that, you will be detected by the system and your account will be banned or suspended. I think you will be banned. They will your account and you will lose everything. So keep it new and original. What I mean there, you create new content, original videos. Do not bring any content that you have already in other account, maybe TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Do not bring them here again. Just start it as afresh and move forward with it. You can create content and put them in the other account, okay? But you don't cross over the content between your account, okay? That thing will let you down. Yeah, Another thing is whenever you go live or you want to access that account of yours, you need to turn on the VPN first so that it change your real location to the other one. Okay? Then you go on, do everything. So the system will identify you as a content creator from wherever country you have chosen in there. Yeah, for example, if you have chosen the United States and the city is maybe New York or any other city like Washington, yeah, it will always show that you are from Washington. And the advantages of using the VPN is, or getting international account is, whenever the advantages are so many. Because we know African, we are not included in making money when it comes to social media. They don't want us to have the freedom and the privilege of using TikTok or any platform. You need to struggle, and what you can get there is not good at all. So when your content reach 100,000 views, okay, you are eligible to be awarded a reward in the last 30 days. We are talking the 30 days time. Okay, you upload your videos and the amount of view reach 100,000. You're good to go to make money. And this is where African is not included. Because we are so talented, we can rope everyone when it comes to talent. This marks the end of our video, and thank you for watching this video to the end. And I thank you again. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, like when this video helps you in any way. Thank you. Bye-bye.